Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, May the 26th, 2010. Well, a change of trend today, and we now have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. So we have a change of trend to the upside. Unfortunately, though, for the bulls, this change of trend was not supported in the short-term dynamics. We have a small red-bodied candle, and the red body tells us that the sellers made net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. But we also have a long shadow on the top as the market traded to these highs around 1090, 1089. The market sold off, and the buyers lost the commitment that they had when the market was trading up above there. Also above this area around 1080. That was a previous support and resistance area. And this market is finding support and resistance in quite a large zone around this area. The sellers were able to close the market down near the lows, and that means that they closed in control of this market at the end of trading. Now, interestingly, though, if the market does change trend again to the downside, then there is very strong support all the way through here down to 1041, and we can see these shadows here. So we actually have a market that's trading within a very large volatile congestion area. The market will need to do a bit of work to trade either up above this area or down below this large zone here to the downside. Now, considering that the trend is up, we believe as technical analysts that the trend will remain in force until we have evidence otherwise. And that evidence of a change of trend would be a lower high and a lower low. So we don't have that yet, so we really do need to consider that the market may continue to the upside. Interestingly, the Kijun-sen has turned flat, and whenever the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to attract price action, and that's what's happened here. So there is strong potential for the market to take out this area around the 1089 area, 1090 area, to start retracing back part of this very high momentum downswing that we had in the market over the last week or so. Now, the market is trading down below the Kumo, which means that the market has an overall negative bias, and also trading down below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which means that in the fast-term time frame and the medium term, the market is bearish as well. If the market does continue to the upside, there are a few areas of resistance on the way up, and we have potential resistance here at the Tenkan-sen, which is trading at 1098. And that's pointing down fairly sharply, reflecting the downside momentum that this market built up over the last week or so. And there's a very strong potential for that area to hold as resistance, and we should watch the short-term dynamics if the market does trade to there in the next few days. If we do see bullishness coming in, then there is potential for the market to trade all the way back up to the Kijun-sen, which is at 1130, and that coincides with the bottom of the cloud. So before there we have this area of resistance as well around the 1100, 1106 region, and then up to this area here. Obviously to the downside, 1041 is important, so we should be watching the low of the current candle for the potential for the market to trade down to here, but we should expect strong buying to come in down around this area in this large zone. So over the next day or so, we really do need to watch these extremes of this area that we've been trading in over the past week or so, and look for a breakout in either direction.